Hello and welcome to the another video of Tech Stream. Today we are going to review a new application from metaverse, which is Thread for Instagram. This app is basically a competitor to the Twitter. So let's start how it works, and what are the functionalities in the Thread for Instagram, and see it is better than the Twitter or not. So let's start. So here's the basically the first screen when you start the thread, and here basically it is an thread for Instagram, so it automatically fetches my Instagram username and Instagram account. So just let's click it and let's see what will be the next screen. So my name and username is already written, as it fetched my data from Instagram, and we have two other fields, bio and link. You can provide it, okay. You can provide your bio and the links of your other accounts, and then click continue. So we have the privacy option in the screen. Now public profile or private profile. So in public profile, anyone on or off threads can see, share and interact with your content, okay. And private profile, the option is locked, and I don't know, but let's see, the option will be enabled later on. So let's click on public profile and click on continue now. The next option is to connect with my friends, and the data is already fetched from Instagram. My Instagram friends and followers list have been arrived, and just click some of them for the start, and then click on the arrow button on the upper right corner. After following some of my friends on thread, and now I have again three options how thread works. So basically, thread is first of all powered by Instagram. Threads is a part of the Instagram platform. We will use your threads and Instagram information to personalize ads and other experience across. So this is basically information that it is powered by Instagram metaverse. And then Feediverse. Future versions of threads will work with the Feediverse, and a new type of social media network that allows people to follow and interact with each other. So these are the formalities, and then your data. It is basically the privacy policy. You can read it in detail, and then click on join threads finally. So there you go, the processing is completed. So now we have five options in the bottom line: home, search, new posts, I guess, and then likes or unlikes, about the activities of my account, and then add new friends or followers. So I have basically, I guess, a request or something. I got a friend request. One of my friend is already on thread, so I accept it, and then the replies activity, mentions, and verified my account activities, verified account activities. I clicked on now the search button, where I found other accounts that are related with Instagram and also with thread. So these are the accounts, different accounts that are basically suggestions from the thread and Instagram for me. And then the right post, here you go, a new post, a new thread, or a tweet, a new thread we can say. So let's start. Welcome to thread, and then click on the post button. There you go, posting, and my first tweet or post is posted. Let's see. So now we have four options in the bottom of the thread, like one, then comment, then retweet or rethread we can say, and then a send button. For retweeting we have two options again, repost or quote. Okay, so we can repost it or retweet and quote it. And then the send option, we can send this thread to the story, post to feed, tweet, copy link or share via different platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Try to add the thread to my story, add to story, and let's see where it will be shared, either on Instagram or Facebook. There you go, my thread is being shared on the story, and so it will be shared on Facebook account story as a story. Okay, and I can also share with other accounts which are suggested by the Instagram, but I couldn't. I just share it on the story. So I have option sign your name and profile photo. So actually this option is for synchronization from my Facebook, from Instagram account to the thread account. It is basically after clicking synchronization, it will synchronize photo and my name from Facebook or Instagram and Instagram to the thread account. Let's back to the thread account. Let's back to the thread app. So these are the options and this is the GUI. It looks good. We already discussed about it, and we can also send a friend request to one of my friend. As the profile, on the top right corner we have other settings for the profile. We have follow and invite friends, notifications, privacy, account, language, help, about, and logout. Let's check for the different languages that are available for thread. So we have a lot of functionalities in the thread application, and we have a lot of languages available like English, Afrikaans, Bahasa Indonesia, English UK, Espanol, and so on. So you can choose your mother tongue language from these available languages. Okay, I'm good with the English UK, and then get back and we can see some other options like privacy. So we have different options in our privacy: private profile, mentions, muted, hidden words, profiles you follow. Let's click on the muted. You haven't muted anyone, so you can mute any of the profile for comment or like or anything which you don't want to perform activities related with your profile. And then hidden words, you can also hide some of the words which you don't like or abusive language used on your account. So we have other more options in it. You can also check later on, and that's it. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.